Hello, welcome. All right, well, let's start the session. Let's start the session. Let's see what's going on. NQ is dropping a little bit. I'm actually still hoping that it will drop down to this level, 744. That would be just great from the London session. Just to reprice it on the 5-minute. Otherwise, you know, we made new historical highs, so that's fantastic. I'm short, by the way, already. Where is it? Not here. Here? Here. Yeah, so I'm short already, but it's at break even. I already took partials. So I'm hoping that it will go down. Actually, what's the level there? I'm gonna go all the way to 45.50 if it goes. And what else? Yeah, 45.50. That would be great. Question is it going to retrace back higher? That's going to be interesting. Are we going to see a possible bounce up there? What a turn of events here. Anyway, we have about 1 minute until the open. All right, 30 seconds. Not really expecting anything special. There could be a bounce, so it could take me out on break even, but doesn't matter. Let's see how it goes. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and here we are. The market is open. Let me go down to the 1 minute here. The market is open. Unfortunately, edging higher, almost taking me out now. Oh, it's gonna take me out at break even. But yeah, unfortunately, yeah, I'm out at break even. It is what it is. No problem. No problem at all. Managed to secure some profits here, at least. What else do we have? I still think it should be breaking lower. Oh, we have YM as well. How is YM looking, by the way? I'm just curious. Yesterday did the same thing. Okay, YM could go down too. Oops. Getting back to NQ. Okay. Still edging higher. I have no trade. I'm just searching for something here. I'm not gonna find it anyway. Doesn't matter. NQ edging lower, so that's what I'm gonna be watching. Hey Akram, sorry everybody. Doing good. Hello Zoltan. Be careful. Yes, target back to 55. All right, Monday morning. Yeah. Riggs, hey there. I am following the trend. Yeah. Space key is tripping, no problem. Man, I just see your message in YouTube and it's really sad how people. Yeah. Oh, it happens. We have to deal with it and move on, you know. It's part of being on social media, I guess. What can we do? So, what else is happening? I'm still kind of looking for NQ to drop maybe, but look at that. IM just went higher. Interesting. Looking at the 5 minute, there's a small fair value gap here. 3 minute also kind of like a fair value gap here. That's the 3 minute. The 5 minute almost the same, but okay, so this area could be somewhat important. Oh yeah, I checked it, real folks. Yeah, nicely predicted. Nicely predicted. I saw that earlier. Yeah, the real folks actually said it precisely where this one is gonna go. So, yeah, precisely. YM is up there. Gold is still at these levels. Seems like there is a bit of a rejection here at 06, which could be good. Who knows? I do this. That was, yeah, that was a really nice call there. And the use Twitter is really helpful, and you can find models that people pay more than thousands for it. Oh, really? What kind of models? Like trading models or algorithms or something? I guess. A lot of people are selling their own algos or indicators and such. Also on Twitter, but I'm on Twitter. Going higher. This one is going higher. Nothing so far. Look at that. It might want to do one more spike up there. ICT models. Oh, yeah, I know. There's a lot of pictures and setups and such. So yeah, I saw that. I see quite a few people posting those, and actually, many of those are useful. Good entries, good entry models, and not just ICT. Basically, I'm seeing all kind of, supply demand, trend line, support resistance strategies. So yeah. Okay. I didn't really thought that this is just gonna go up like this, like this fast, this easy. It might gonna do divergence here. Like this is just gonna spike higher. Look at that. Boom. Should be taking out the 44 now. They show their trades and explain their entries. Yeah. I think. I mean, I'm actually thinking to do the same thing, both on Twitter and on the YouTube community tab, because that's actually a good place to share some stuff. I think that would be great. Okay. What a move. I wonder if it's going to take out the 44 or not. You know, I wonder if it's taking that out or not. Whoa, what is happening now? Twitter is more better. Yeah. I actually did not subscribe to that blue check mark, so I can post more content. I missed the Black Friday. Actually, I was thinking to do it or not. Not because of financial reasons. I'm just not really posting too many stuff on Twitter. I mean, maybe I should have bought it. For the annual subscription. Looking at these charts, gold is not doing anything, so gold is just settled down there. No real move, just a bit of a drop here. Actually, nothing. NQ is totally acting out weird. It would make some sense to push to that 44, but I'm not in a trade. I've been taking out break even from the previous one. But anyway, we are gonna continue. Did it make a new high? I think it did. Okay. So new high. New high has been made. This market. Oh, it's just amazing. That's just amazing. Of what it does. Quick look on YM again. Whew. I don't know. This one looks interesting. What a bull run here. You got you said. Oh. Bull trap dump to yesterday low. Yeah, I'd like to see a dump too. But it seems like there's just no stopping on NQ right now. It's just not stopping. No way. No way it's gonna stop. Going for the 900 here. Look at that. You know what? I think we might go for 22k. Wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Jesus. What is happening here? I'm trying to look at this one as a potential short here. Look at NQ. Wow. It is absolutely crazy here. Macro time is going to be in 5 minutes, so 9:50 to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. No. We're not shorting this. No. Look at that. I think we have to put on the 22k line because it's you know, just as we talked about it in the London session, it's getting closer. It's sure getting closer. Actually, I have to switch to the 5 minute. What a run here. I still don't have an entry. I don't really think there will be an entry. You know what? I'm actually waiting for a potential pullback on NQ. Maybe I'm gonna go for a ride for new highs, but without a pullback, I just can't. So so I'm not doing it. Excuse me. Relative equal highs now. No, I mean on YM for a second. I was watching there. First presentation gap was best entry you could have. Yeah, I was watching that. He has double top shorted hard stop every time. Yeah, I have to be careful there, Zoltan. Look at this rally. Oh. I have a feeling it might go all the way up to 22k in one instance. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Going to wait for a possible pullback. But no sign of pullback. No, he's not a bot. He's as real as it gets. He's a fellow Hungarian trader. All right. Still waiting for a possible entry. It's not happening right now. Um, well, nothing is going on officially. Let's go, Bears. Let's see what it does. Let's see if the Bears, you know, prevail this time or not. I'm actually curious. No major pullback for now. YM slipped lower. Not that I traded, but it went lower. Overall, I'm technically green on all my funded accounts. Not too much, only like $100 each. So okay, now could be a pullback happening. Question is, for how much or how deep? Okay, let's wait this one out. Maybe if we have a proper pullback, let's see the fib tool here from bottom to top. 50% retracement at 843. Maybe we'll see something there. Continuation coming. Volatility for shorting is a trap. Yeah, could be. Could be. Target 55. Yeah, hope it will go there. But careful with the shorts on ES2. You know. That can be a tricky one. Just as well. That could be a tricky one. Yeah, no sign of taking a possible short, at least not for me. And that's why I'm saying be careful with the ES2. But ES actually looks quite okay. Look at this move here. So it can actually go. Didn't make new high. Seemingly wants to go below the opening range. So yeah, anything can happen. Okay, no pullback. What a move. YM is just dropping down a little bit. Hey Ryan, what up? Nothing special goes on. I'm just waiting for a proper pullback if it wants to push higher. And that's it. That's all. I had a trade before the market opened. I was short with micros. I made $100 on that on my fundeds, but that's it. Inverse that fair value gap. Get the short now. Let's see. Yeah, YM right now is dropping. I saw that. I was actually considering again, like yesterday, oh, should I jump in? But no, it's too much, too many stuff to trade with. I don't want to do that right now. So you can scalp it? Oh, maybe. I guess I could do that. tried it today. Nice. Yeah, it can move very nicely. Very good. Very. It can be very, very fast as well. Yes, red. What's happening? Oh, and you were in short. I think. Congrats. Let's go. I think you were shorting, right? Still pulling back. Still pulling down. Question is this going to turn out as a Friday rally or not? What do you guys think? Okay, we have a pullback. Okay, what a pullback. I don't even know if this is a pullback here. Yeah, I have to be careful. This movement now seems a little bit strange. Feels a little bit tricky. You know, if I look at the 1 hour, I don't know. Feels a little bit weird. Let me delete some levels because it's irrelevant now. Previous day high. Okay, that's all right. We can delete these levels now. Oh. So the 1 hour looks, the 4 hour, oh, everything is still bullish so far. So it doesn't look that bad for a continuation up there, but hey Muhammad, what up? What up? Oh man. You know what? I'm actually considering a long maybe. Not sure. Maybe I shouldn't. Because it could be a huge sell-off. So yeah, 930 gap. Yeah. Yeah, gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. I might take a long, but I don't know. T-Bond, what up? What's my profit for the month? I can show you actually. I'm still recovering some funded accounts from Oblivion. So funded account wise, I have a brand new Tradeify funded account which has 0 trades on it. But here are my funded accounts. This month, 1,000 on this Apex account. 500 on this Apex account. 557 on this Apex account. I made $100 on this one. And this one also 557. 600 also made $108 today. 600. This Bulenox account has $817. 100 made 100 today as well. This one made 110 also at 834. And the MyFundedFutures accounts are in drawdown. Extreme drawdown actually, look at that. 48,436. And the other funded account is also down. So I'm fighting my way back up. So what I can say is a very slow grind. I told you guys that at the last days of November, I technically wiped out everything. Entered along on N2, by the way. So not looking all that good. Can you show me the best car you had? Of course. You guys want to see the best car I ever had? Actually, I'm going to show you two cars I had. I'm going to actually show you the best car I ever had. One of the best. Actually, I had... Okay, so here's a car that I had. This is not exactly that car, but I had a car like this one. Actually, this is my car here on this picture. I keep this on my desk. This was the car exactly, but I had to sell it in 2017. But I had an exact car like this, and that's a 7 Series BMW next to it, but I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this was the one. BMW Z4 35IS, and it was tuned a little bit, so you know what? I'm closing this trade down. I don't care. I just don't like it. I close down the trade. I'm flat. Yeah, it was a fantastic car. What do I drive now? I drive a 20 years old 323 Mazda, which worth around $1,000, and it's filled with rust. Because I actually, T-Bond, you might have not been here late. I mean, in the early days, I told my story to many of you guys on stream that what happened, and I lost a lot of money. I sold my cars. I lost it on trading and crypto. I lost actually a lot, like tens of thousands of dollars. I sold this Z4 BMW. I sold it for 26,000 euros, which was way under the market price because I needed money super fast, super fast, and I lost that money too. And I got totally broke. By the end of the pandemic, I got absolutely broke. Total broke. Like super broke. Total brokey by the end of the pandemic. And not because of the pandemic. But oh yeah. I told you guys. So I lost everything, and I had to sell my cars. And I started again from absolute zero. Yes, I showed you guys. I still keep it here. I have this jar filled with coins. It's filled with coins. And there was a day, almost 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago, that I had to pick out money from this jar to buy food. I had to pick out money from this same exact jar to buy some lunch. That's how bad the situation was. That's how bad it was. And I'm not proud of it. I'm not proud of it. It's something I'm still fighting. So it's a journey. Yeah, exactly. I had another BMW as well. I'm going to show you a picture. This is not exactly the car, But I had a BMW like this one, a Cabrio, BMW 6 Series, the old one. This is the old series, 2004. I had this one too. I mean, exactly this one. I had exactly a similar black. But it was way before. Anyway, long story. So, these were my nicest cars so far. Anyway, it is what it is. How many you did get up after a big? Well, it's still, you know. Man, what is happening here? Are we gonna take some lows again? I wonder how far can it go. 9:30 candle is down there. Sorry, I'm just. Your pocket wasn't drawdown. Yeah. Take lots of money and time, a learning curve. We all done a big time. Yeah. We just keep moving forward. Exactly. 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 Yeah, it was a big learning thing. Yeah. All right, trying to figure out where this one might want to go, but I still don't see anything special happening. I was expecting a push, and I think it's a good thing I exited the trade. I'm still up. Trying to look this 5-minute chart here. Let's see. Divergence. Let's look for possible divergence here. If we find any. Okay, what's happening? Gold just went lower again. So technically taking out every single level to the downside. Interesting. Okay. Feels like NQ wants to waterfall down maybe. We have a 5-minute gap here. That could be interesting. I don't have an entry to go for it. But feels like it wants to go for it, right? How far is that, by the way? It's down at 804-ish. Or 805. I don't know. Started to short NQ here. Just a little bit. To see what's going on. As it's returning into this gap. Because it seems like it's coming back. Hello, good morning. Your 5th day as trading top step. Now I can request payout. Congratulations, 7 Moneybag. Yo, nicely done. Good job. Beautiful day. Bang the market. All right. Let's see. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Nice. I thought you guys are catching it. Nicely done. Perfect. And look at that. We're back to that 5-minute gap right now. Back to the 5-minute gap. I guess have to be careful with the longs on NQ. I made a little bit of a profit on the new Take Profit Trader account that I have. I mean, just test account for now. So what's it gonna do? Hey, real folks, how we doing? Actually, doing okay. So far. I'm trying to recover my MyFundedFutures funded accounts, which are almost in complete meltdown, but I managed to make about $500 each on those funded accounts, but they're still in drawdown. But managed to recover it to 49,000. Which is still okay-ish. Just a second, quick call here. I am sorry, everyone. It was just an important phone call. But I'm just trading. Trading. Yeah, I'm still waiting for a trade setup is what I meant to say. Every day is a new day, starting at going to the market with the mentality. Yeah, just small steps. That's what I'm trying to do. But yeah, I took trades today, Tamash. I just took very small trades. I'm trying to recover 2 of my MyFundedFutures accounts, namely this one. I made 500 today on this MyFundedFutures account. And the other MyFundedFutures funded account, I made 529. But it's still at 49,116. But the other accounts, I was very... This one has 1,000 in profit, 500. I made 100 on this one. 108 on this one. 109 on this one. 105 on this one. So overall $100 each. And on my new Take Profit Trader test account, I made 281 today. And I also have an Apex evaluation. Now I know it's seemingly strange that I only made almost 300 on this one, but I'm trading with the micros, like 2, 3, 4 micros on this one, because I'm testing this indicator strategy that I'm doing. So I know you guys love indicators. Look at that. We're just waterfalling down. I have a feeling that it could go all the way. How far are we? It's going. It's going. Where was this level? This was at 44, I think. Not really sure. There was this 5-minute gap here. Let me show you. We talked about this during the London session, and I told you guys that we might gonna have a possible, you know, hopefully a meltdown, that it should be closing that. Oh, okay, so we did that. All right. I just made another scalp on this one. Good. Just like that, we went down. What a move. 650. Wow. Zoltan, congratulations. Let me give you a proper applause here. I know you were saying that earlier. He's holding shorts from all-time high. Jesus. And we have the new day opening gap down there with Asia lows. What if this one wants to melt down to Asia lows? Imagine that. I'm gonna be looking on gold as well. I just scalped a little bit again. And now the account is recovering. I made 936 on that drop on this account. So this is recovery mode, and this one is back to also 49,515. But today I started with less. I don't know how much, but anyway, made 926 on this funded, but unfortunately still recovery mode. Still just recovery mode. So I'm not going to trade on that account for today. I think I'm gonna disable the copy trader. Yeah, I'm disabling this. Oops, sorry. Just a second. So, what a move. What a move. Went into a 4-hour fair value gap. To be honest, it's a little bit scary to try to short down here gold. I'm not saying it's impossible, but it's definitely scary. NQ is just dropping without any pullback. How much it went from the 170? It should go down to the gap. Okay, do you guys reading this? Bulenox is eliminating the minimum trading days on their account. I mean, on the qualification account. So, qualification account, on the minimum trading days requirement to pass the qualification account is eliminated. I guess they want fast money. That's what they want. So that's a good thing, I guess. Yes, 1 day pass with Bulenox. Bulenox from today is 1 day pass. Officially turned into a 1 day pass proper, which is somewhat, it's actually a good thing because you were just waiting 5 days to trade on the account, right? That could be frustrating sometimes. Activation fee in Apex for 50k eval is $125. With Bulenox is $148 on the 50k. So a little bit more pricier, but you know, for diversification, it's not that bad. So they raised it from 85 to 125. Actually, it was 130 before. NQ is repricing these levels. That would be actually awesome to jump into a short on NQ. I might do it if I get an entry. Depends on the entry, of course. And I'm also looking at gold. Anyone is still holding a short on NQ? Let me know. I'm just curious. I guess nobody. It's going lower. It's seemingly going lower, and I think it wants to take out, what was the level here? London low. It has been taken out. Okay, never mind. Then only Asia low is left, down at 697. That could be interesting. Actually, it's bouncing up from the midnight area. And we still have time until lunch hour. We have the new day opening gap. I mean, yeah, Asia low at 700. I don't know if it wants to take it. But I'll be watching that level. We are actually in the macro. So the next 5 minutes could be interesting. If you enter in that inversion now, you are driving an M5 competition. Oh yeah. Question is how far it goes, you know. Obviously, Asia low would be in that new day opening gap, so below the 700. I just don't know if it's gonna sell off until then or what. What's gonna be the target? What's it going to do? Still looking at gold as well for a potential short. I don't really want to enter a short on NQ here on this level, but and now it could be broken or breaking that level. Look at how close it is. Yep, maybe a little bit of a bounce, but it should be pushing through that 700. Oh yeah, we have a bounce here. Anyway, I'm not gonna, it's very tempting to jump in for a scalp, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna jump in for a scalp here. And Asia low is officially taken out. So I think that's the move. That was it. That was officially it for the session. That was officially the final move of the session and for Friday. Whatever happens from now on, I don't know, but it happened. We've taken out, obviously it can go down and reprice the gap, but for now this is it. All right, I'm actually super happy. Recovered some losses from these funded accounts. Hopefully I will make it back. And I made 200 on Bulenox accounts, 218, 221, so slow grind up there. And yeah, it's enough for me. I'm not giving back anything to the market. So yeah, have a great weekend, Dario, and everybody. There's no profit trade funding. I told you guys I blow up the account. I blown up that account. That has been blown. That has been blown. I blew it like almost 2 weeks ago. A week ago I was having evaluation account. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back for Monday in London session. And you know, it was a good New York session. Have a great weekend. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. Thank you so much. And that's it. Have a great weekend, everybody. God bless you all, and see you guys on Monday. All right. Cheers, everybody.